Hello everyone, welcome to the training videos of Ajmani POS system. In this video, we will see how to add categories of all the available products at your particular business location. So, first of all, you have to log in with your credentials and then go to home screen and then go to products and then go to categories. Okay, so here I have already added different categories and subcategories. I will show you something. Okay, and then go to add here, click on add, and then here you can give the category name uh, like garments. Okay, for example, and if you have any HSN code and if you want to display this HSN code in the invoice, then you can enter here the category code as same as the HSN code, and here you can mention the description, like for example all types of garments. Okay, for example, and if this category is subtaxonomy to another parent category, then here you want to select this the parent category, as the garment is the main category. So I don't want to select this subtaxonomy, so I have saved it. So like here the garments has been saved, all types of garments. And then let me show another one. Here let's say for example jeans. Okay, and description as all types of jeans. Okay, and here the jeans is a subtaxonomy to the parent category, that is garment. So here you can select the garments and you can save it. Okay, and the jeans has been saved as a subcategory. Okay, and then here you can go to add, and then here you can add another one like shirts, or let's say it as t-shirts. Okay, and description as all types of t-shirts. Okay, and I'm adding it as a subcategory, and the parent category will be garments. Okay, and then save. So like this t-shirts have been saved. So like this you can add categories, all the available products at your particular business location, to the Ajmani POS system. So that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.